Hit. Where did that go? Oh shit, that came off completely, didn't it? Well, that's a bitch. Oh, oh no, but that did not feel good. Son of a bitch. Oh, oh, god damn. Where's that from? In the face! In the face! No! Get some, baby! Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rox, and we're back here once again for Conflicts 8 at Blast Camp in Hobart, Indiana. This is just a continuation from my last video with the power duo of me and Brad Beard and our HP-8 LMGs just running the field. And after watching my last video, I identified that there was something definitely wrong with my hop. And since then, I've taken my gun apart and taken apart the hop unit, and as you can definitely see from this picture here, I have almost wore a hole through the bucking or the hop rubber on my hop unit. This gun uses a Max Pro hop unit, and I am running a Mazu Firefly flat hop nub and a flat hop G&G green cold weather bucking. I mean, these things happen, parts wear out, it's inevitable. I have since then replaced this with a new one, and hopefully it's a lot better now. Be sure to hit like, and hit subscribe. Let's get it on. All right. On your 6, Brad. Oh, come on. Oh, now my hands are wet. Right about right next to you, Brad. But yeah, guys, over there. Got him. Halifax! Halifax! Alright, move it aside. Yeah, he's on that box, isn't he, Brad? He's just hiding, he ain't coming out. Got him! There we go! Got him off that box! Goddamn, underhop, overhop. What's that? No, I can't see him. All I can see is that building with that big window. Xbox be working overtime. Need to turn it up. There we go.
Got him. It sucks. It's not about play. Yeah. They're getting these big defined lines. They're, where'd everybody go? We got guys on the right. Got him. Falling back.
I just got away from run up.
Yeah, they're pushing this right. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah.
Crap. So by that tower, by building one, by tower, by building one.
I'm out of ammo. Okay, they're done.
Something's coming from over there.
Vehicle coming through. Oh, that was me. Behind the pump house. On your left. There's guys behind it. There's guys using that thing. Got him. I think I got him off the bag right, didn't I?
In that building?
Pump house. Pump house, yeah.
Pump house! We need pump house!
Did they make it into that pump house? Good? Yeah, they did. Here, I got, yeah, either or. All right, here, pull me back a little bit.
Did they get them out of the pump house?
I don't know.
Which one is that? Is that the one?
It's that building. It's that building right there. 10. Yeah, pump house. Yeah, they're inside there. That's who got me. Yeah, they ran up to the on the back side of it, and I wasn't paying attention, and they got me.
So they're definitely in there.
He might be dead already, but he got me. Yeah, they're dead. They just yelled hit. Yeah. I don't know if we have a medic over here. Go.
The guy on the right in black and he's afraid.
They're hitting the shit out of this hearse. I don't know where the hell they're shooting from. Oh, I see them on the back of that building. God damn it.
You're pulled across behind you.
They're in the pump house.
This guy got hit too.
Got him. Got him out of the pump house. Oh, damn, that's a hit. Who the fuck did that? All right, I'm gonna do something stupid. Yeah, green inside here, Yes, in that little guardhouse, yes. Brad. 5. Watch out, watch out. Hurry. Oh no, but that did not feel good. Sorry. Fell down over there. What's up, bud? Busted my ass going around that corner. Alright, I about broke my wrist. Alright. I have no idea how this is even aligned right now. I'm inside building 9, man. There we go, watch this. Got him! If he was in that building, he's not anymore. I took 9, we're taking 5. I just fragged 5. Brad! I got a frag in on 5. So I got 3 guys. Bring these in 5. Yeah, it's right in front of you. That building. Dewey? We don't have 6, it's on the other side. Oh, god damn. I don't know, but oh, right in the fucking, it hit the eye pro, it went right in the face.
Watch that doorway and 6 on the right side.